for small businesses and SMEs, startups listening, that the best thing they can do is have watertight contracts and kind of have procedures and steps in place, such as, having good contracts, sending notices, credit bureau reporting, all of that to avoid getting in that circumstance.
Yeah, those are probably the best things you can do. So I always say number one is there's no rule that you have to wait 30 days to get paid. Everybody puts 30-day terms. But if you're doing a service, you finish your 1 month, you issue your your invoice, you do services for another month, and then you issue your next notice or your next invoice. You've now done 2 months of service and you don't know whether they're even going to pay for their first month. So shortening your invoice periods, like 7, 14 days, is a lot better so that you don't move into the next month of service. Um, Doing an asset search, seeing on the company, see how old they are, how long they've been around for. You can use credit bureau, checking their credit. They could just be a open up, close down, open up, close down. They might just be doing that. So ideally, you want to look into who the directors are, how long they've been running this business for, who their clients are, whether they're established or not, um, and then also your contract terms. If it's so fundamentally obvious that they breached a clause because it's been well drafted, then in those circumstances, they're not going to want to go to court because if you do take them to court, they won't have any legitimate defense and they'll end up being liable for the money that they owe you, plus your legal costs, plus their legal costs that because they lost when they lose the case. So, um, that's what a good drafted contract does, is it helps you enforce the contract, and the other side probably won't want to defend proceedings knowing that they probably have a hopeless defense.